G'day Australia, Korum E here at Audiocom in Cannington, where we've just packed up and order a plug and play kicker key amplifier. Now, this is not unusual. We have sold literally hundreds of these things. Plug and play for BE, BF Commodore, Toyota Hilux, some Nissans. This pack is a Toyota Hilux plug and play rig. So this little harness that we make up bespoke for these as per your order will go out to Jason C, and Jason will be able to plug and play his kicker key amplifier into his Hilux using the factory head unit and the kicker key amp. It's a smart amp. It will analyze the audio and adjust itself, optimize itself, and power the speakers much better. We've got heaps of speaker packs on the website available as well. Now, what makes this order different to all the prior ones is it's the very first one that we've built up with the new optional RCA output for subwoofer. So not only do you have your front and rear speakers amplified with a smart amp, the kicker key, which is a very capable little amplifier, but there's an extra RCA output for you to connect your existing sub and amp to run in the car. We've got some very if you've got the Hilux like Jason does, we've got some very spectacular sub-amp combos that will fit directly in behind the Hilux seat with amplifiers built in. MTX have some truly amazing gear. We've got lots of other slim options too. You'll see a sneaky focal kicking around back there. We've got some other MTX 10-inch subs, passive, that we can pair with an amplifier too. We've got so much gear in stock. We've literally got stacks and stacks of speakers, subs, amps, head units, plug and play adapters, all the things. So get on across to universalfuze.com.au and have a look at all the DIY plug and play packs specific for your vehicle there, or come and visit us at Audiocom stores in Western Australia and we will build a solution for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks always for your comments that you throw below. It means a lot to us. We love your feedback. If you've got any questions, hit us up and we'll get back to you, and we'll see you again soon.